Look at yourself. Are you really living? Or are you just existing? Be honest. How many times have you told yourself, this year's gonna be different? I'll start tomorrow. I just need some motivation. And yet here you are. Same routines. Same distractions. Same weak habits. Watching time slip through your fingers like sand. Let me tell you something that might sting. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents. Not your girl. Not your friends. Not some random motivation video. It's you versus you. It's always been you. And every second you waste, another man out there is building, training, grinding, winning. While you're still scrolling, still complaining, still waiting for the perfect time. Wake up. The world doesn't care about your excuses. Life isn't waiting. You either evolve, or you get left behind. But here's the truth, you're not stuck. You're not weak, you're just undisciplined. And discipline, that can be built. Every man has a choice. Stay comfortable and stay average. Or suffer now, and become dangerous. No more talking. No more hoping. No more waiting for permission. It's war now. And your enemy, the man in the mirror. 1 year from now, you'll either be a completely different person, or you'll still be here. Watching videos, wishing you started today. This moment is the turning point. Not tomorrow. Not next week. The time is now. Be the man who didn't just dream. Be the man who executed, because the world remembers the relentless.